Hi students, in this video we are going to find the Young's modulus of a beam by non-uniform bending method. In non-uniform bending method, the beam is kept on two knife edges separated by a particular distance and weight is added at the center of the beam. So the beam will undergo depression, it will bend in the shape of the letter U. So this is called as non-uniform bending method. In uniform bending method, weights are added at both the ends of the beam so that the beam undergo elevation and looks like an arc. But in non-uniform bending method, weight is added only at the center of the beam so that the beam undergo depression and it looks like the English capital letter U. Okay, so this is non-uniform bending method. So now we are going to derive the expression for depression produced by the beam by the addition of weight at the center of the beam. So the weight W will create a force downwards at the center of the beam. So due to this downward force, there will be upward force creating at the point A and B. I mean at the point where knife edges are kept. So that is W by 2. In the diagram, the arrow mark, upper arrow mark represents that the force W by 2 is acting in the upward direction and the force W at the center is acting in the downward direction. So these two forces form a couple. To derive the depression produced by the beam, I am considering the expression for depression produced by a cantilever because a beam bent by non-uniform bending method is equal to two cantilevers. Okay. So what is the expression for depression of a cantilever? Y is equal to WL cube divided by 3YI. So I am going to replace L is equal to L by 2 and W is equal to W by 2 because one cantilever is equal to one beam is equal to two cantilevers in terms of force and length. So that's why I have reduced it to half of the value. So Y is equal to W by 2 into L by 2 the whole cube divided by 3YI and Y is equal to W by 2 into L cube by 8. So actually the power 3 will not come in the second equation, just forget the power 3. So divided by 3yi, then depression y is equal to WL cube divided by 48yi. So if you replace, if you interchange capital Y and small y, you will get expression for the Young's modulus of the beam. Capital Y is equal to WL cube divided by 48y into I, where y is the depression and L is the distance between the two knife edges and W is equal to M into G, that we are going to see now, and capital I is the moment of inertia and that is equal to BD cube by 12 for rectangular beams. So this is what I have mentioned here. I is equal to BD cube by 12 and W is equal to M into G. So on substituting all these values in the Young's modulus formula, you will get the final expression as Y is equal to mgl cube divided by 4 BD cube Y, Newton per meter square. So this is the formula to find the Young's modulus of the beam by non-uniform bending method. So this is the arrangement to find the Young's modulus experimentally by non-uniform bending method. There are two knife edges at the point A and B and weight is added at the center of the beam by means of weight hanger. So initially for dead load we are finding the microscope reading by focusing the pin to coincide with the vertical crosswire in the microscope and note down the reading in the tabular column. Add 50 gram weight. Now the scale will undergo depression. The pin will go down. Now adjust the microscope to focus the pin, the tip of the pin exactly at the center of the crosswire. Note down the readings from the microscope and enter into the tabular column. Add 50 more grams and repeat the same procedure. For unloading also do the same procedure and enter all the values in the tabular column. So again the same tabular column for finding the value of depression. So this is we have seen already in the cantilever and uniform bending method. So the same procedure is repeated here. We have to find the mean depression for a load of m kg. So here m is equal to 50 grams because we are increasing load in steps of 50 grams. So m is equal to 50 grams. Then using this formula we can find the Young's modulus of the material of the beam by non-uniform bending method. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. L is the distance between the two knife edges. B is the breadth of the beam. D is the thickness of the beam, and Y is the depression produced by the cantilever, which we will find out from the tabular column. So using this formula we can find the Young's modulus of the cantilever by non-uniform bending method. Thank you.